What's up with the YouTube?
Hey.
Today, Ginger is going to be building a gingerbread house. So we looked it up because we last minute. We looked it up, and they said it's at Target. So we're gonna wait at Target. When we get to Target, we're gonna show y'all.
And we got 2 special guests. Yeah, I see.
2 special guests. I forgot about that. But y'all will see soon. See you inside of Target. She went to grab the cord. I just left them. Finna go find. I'm finna show y'all them right now. Here they come.
No, I don't like this. Why would you throw it all the way up there?
And it's still a tripping, all fucking red. You said what? Say it again.
Can you take a picture?
Okay, guys, we're here, Target, and we would like to introduce our kids. There's Kylie. There's Cody. Cody.
Go.
Look. Look. He don't want to act right, but those are our 2 special guests. So we're building a gingerbread house with the kiddos.
Gingerbread house with the kiddos today.
Yes.
2 badass special guests.
Yes. But we finna look and see what the gingerbread house is at. We'll be back. Yeah. You found them?
I know today's a ginger.
Yes. We found them. It say sweets. We found them.
Wow, that's so cool.
You built this?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you keep wanting me to open this dinosaur stuff?
You want to build
She
this?
keep posing.
You want to build this today?
I got a classic house. Daddy trying to build a mansion. Like,
Want to build a classic house?
Yeah.
that is
Or you
crazy.
build a hot chocolate stand? Which one, son? Which one?
Papa.
Which one?
Papa.
Which one of these you want to build? You can't build a dinosaur. It's already built. Which one you want to go for?
Add to it. Cookies.
Dad, I like that.
I know.
You love sweets.
No junk food, only banana.
Girl. They trying to have a whole extravaganza knowing they still got bedtime at 9, 10. This is second time crashing. I couldn't get the first. Then tow up the people stuff. Daddy keep crashing. So you a big girl.
You a big girl. He a baby boy that want to open everything he see in the store. We came in here for this.
You have your own.
We came in here for this. We didn't come in here for this.
Then I had no choice but to because you didn't rip the tag off.
Kyle.
We're at the Target. Barely made it through the line.
Bye.
Barely. We left. We came for one thing and left with 3,000 things. And Daddy's drunk. He's swerving. Oh, chill, bro. Chill.
What's up, y'all? You just got in the car after doing donuts in the whip, you know. I just got in the car. I'm gonna eat. If you notice, I'm on the passenger side now, cause man, I drive all day, every day.
As you should.
Nah, that ain't what it's supposed to be.
Cause when I'm in the passenger seat, I cater to the kids. So when you in the passenger seat,
You always been passenger princess. I'm passenger prince. You know what I'm saying? Put my feet up on the dash, kick my feet up. But no, I'm just playing though. We on our way to the crib. See when we get to the house. See you there.
you just made it home. Oh snap! Light went out. We just made it home. It just pulled up rather. We'll be bringing this stuff.
Oh, you
in.
recording this whole time? Oh, I'm hella though. You ain't see me looking at the camera like, when is she gonna start it? Just made it to the crib though. finna go in the crib and get started, you know.
Yep.
May just said it, but I wasn't paying attention. I was lost. I was daydreaming. But yeah, we'll see y'all in the crib. Say bye, Kai.
Bye.
We got the gingerbread house.
Yeah.
We end up not picking the ones we showed y'all. We end up picking this one since we're doing it with our little ones. It's called Mini Village. Everybody get their own thing. But we finna get started. Build gingerbread house today with the kids.
Yeah.
2 special guests. All ready?
Look.
You ready?
Take your shoe off.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
You sure so excited.
We have cream. Whoa, colorful crayon. That's so colorful.
Them terrible tools, boy.
Cody.
Come on. Let's squeeze. Pay attention. Your house will be messed up.
Yeah, it's so good. I'm gonna grab.
Okay.
Can I grab it?
Yeah, you can grab it. Gotta hold it like that.
Mm.
Hold it like that.
Mm.
And stick it on your wall.
Yours is the.
Stick it.
Cody's
Be gentle with it. Be gentle.
No, we gonna say this the baker.
Oh, wait,
It's okay. It's okay.
okay.
We gonna say this the
Keep.
baker. Oh man. You can eat it.
You can eat that. She couldn't wait.
Oh.
She couldn't wait.
Oh.
Y'all eating this stuff. We supposed to be making eat. I thought you don't like sweets. I thought you like
I
bananas.
like
I
it.
thought you like bananas and apples.
Mm.
This sweet though.
Not good though. I want to do that.
Come on.
Whoa.
Okay. I wish you would be more helpful with your bakery. I wish you would help me.
They won't.
It's
They're
pink.
playing basketball already.
I put it on.
Better put that right here.
And here go the finished products. This one Cody. This one's Kylie's.
My name's Kai.
Mini Village.
Yes,
Cody's going to sit back.
I see him.
I'm going to sit back.
Okay, we're back.
Okay, we back. This is the end of our gingerbread house video. Our third VLOGMAS video. And
Yes, with the kids.
this is with the kids. We got 2 more to go. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Today was our very first time ever building gingerbread houses.
And y'all see how it came out.
And we did it with the kids. You see how it came out. We made it our way. Because everything ain't got to be the right way.
Yes.
And everything is nice.
And one thing I say, this was rigged first off because everything didn't match. I ain't gonna lie. The steps they wanted us to take, no. But
First time, you know, doing it with the kids. Vlogmas video number 3. And hey, I enjoyed myself. How about you?
yeah, I did.
You had fun? You like that?
Say yay!
Say bye.
Clap. Okay, here.
Say bye.
Wait, son. Say bye.
Say bye.
Mommy gonna leave then. Say bye-bye.
Bye.